guys, and welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you how I organise my fridge with these fridge dividers that I picked up in Poundland recently. But first off, I'm going to get everything out and just give the fridge a thorough clean out, and then I'll share with you how I organise everything with the dividers. So first off, I'm running some warm water and squirting in a little Method Go Naked washing up liquid. When I'm deep cleaning the fridge, I like to pull everything out and wash all the shelves, drawers and the inside of the fridge. To clean everything, I'm using this small Spontex sponge to gently wipe over the glass shelves. This combined with the washing up liquid does a great job at getting rid of any food marks and stains on everything. I would say I usually like to give the fridge a good deep clean every season just to keep on top of it. Also, let me know if you have any good tips to maintain a fresh and clean fridge in the comments down below. Next up, I'm using my favourite Method Daily Kitchen Cleaner in Clementine to wipe down all of the inside of the fridge. I also like to use a clean paper towel to dry everything down before I put all the shelves back in as well. Okay, so now that everything is clean, I'm going to show you how and where I store everything, starting with the door compartments. On the bottom shelf, I usually store milk, juice, or just any bottles and cartons of drink. I also like to keep a face spray in this part too, just when I want to give my face a quick and refreshing spritz of hydration. On the middle shelf, Ben and I both store cans of drink or any small condiments that we are using currently. Then on the top shelf, this is where I house my eye and sheet masks. Again, it's just nice to have some in the fridge if I want to do a treatment in the morning to wake up my skin. Also, these small trays are from, I think it's called Jysk, Jysk, which I'll link down below, and these fit my masks in perfectly in that top shelf. In the bottom two drawers in the main part of the fridge, I tend to hide away sauces and jars of condiments, and then in the other drawer I put bags of salads that we are using, as I just don't want them to get crushed by all the other foods. Finally, onto the Poundland Organisation. So I picked up these acrylic containers that come in two sizes. The large one comes on its own, and the medium and small size container come together in a pack. There is also one for bottles, and they have a long plastic storage basket too that I actually use in my kitchen cupboards. I'm using the larger acrylic container on the first glass shelf to store all of our vegetables in, and then I'm using the yellow Clicklock containers that come in all sorts of different sizes to store fruit in, which are from Poundland too, and they have some really pretty colours as well. I mentioned this in my top 10 Poundland buys that I'll link down below. On the next shelf, I have two of the medium-sized containers and one of the small ones. In the two medium ones, I store eggs and yogurts, and then in the small acrylic container, I find this is good for any cheeses and like mini snack cheeses and things like that. On the second shelf from the top, I put any additional bottles or cartons of drink, and then I use a couple more of the Poundland Clicklock containers for meats and just anything else that won't fit in the other shelves. Ben actually usually puts his lunch here ready for the next day as well. For the final shelf, I store one of the larger and smallest containers here for leftovers, and again, just anything that won't fit on the other shelves. This is not our fridge at its fullest, but I did just want to show you it with not much in it, so you can see how I store everything a bit more clearly. And that is it, guys. I really hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care. Bye.